Because Motomiya City is located near the center of Fukushima Prefecture, it is known as the Navel City of Fukushima. From its ideal location, in old times, it was an in-town on the Oshu-Kaido Road. In recent years, with its population of approximately 31,000 people, the city attracts attention as a major transportation hub for traffic passing through. The commercial center of Koriyama City and the castle town of Nihonmatsu City are located nearby, and by stepping away from the city area, the abundant nature can be fully enjoyed. The relatively mild climate and light snowfall in winter makes for a comfortable life. In Fukushima Prefecture, Motomiya City is the smallest total area among the 13 cities. Toyo Keizai Incorporated ranked Motomiya City as number 1 in Fukushima Prefecture for 8 consecutive years in the most livable city ranking, which is carried out annually for cities and wards throughout the country. In this compact town, Motomiya is a city full of charms where residents feel it's good to be living in Motomiya, and other people would like to live in Motomiya. We will introduce the charms of the Motomiya City from 3 perspectives of work, live, and raise children. Motomiya City is a key hub of transportation to and from the Tohoku and Banetsu expressways. From Motomiya Interchange by car, the distance is about 2 hours and 50 minutes to the metropolitan area, about an hour to Sendai, about 90 minutes to Niigata, and about an hour to Iwaki. Also, by Shinkansen bullet train, it is about 90 minutes to Tokyo, about an hour to Sendai, and just 50 minutes by car to Fukushima Airport. The city is actively promoting the attraction of companies by utilizing its accessibility. Approximately 90 companies have entered the 12 industrial park locations in the city. Being proud as a leading business location in Fukushima Prefecture, Motomiya City is a vibrant city with an abundance of workplaces, which includes local industries. Motomiya is where various companies gather as a land-based port, which connects traffic between the Tohoku, Banetsu, and Kanto expressways. The shipment value of manufactured goods is approximately 250 billion yen. The city is also expected to lead industry in the prefecture. Motomiya City has flourished as a key transportation hub, with streams of people and commodity products flowing. To take advantage of these merits, Motomiya has a great appeal as a compact city where life's necessities are readily available. The city is convenient for shopping, with a lively local shopping area in the city center lined up along National Route 4, with large stores to support daily life. For people who wish to build a new home in Motomiya City, incentives and various subsidy programs are available to support home acquisition. For example, those who newly built or purchased a home in Motomiya City are provided with a maximum financial incentive of 300,000 yen. Subsidies are also provided for the installation costs of combined sewage treatment tanks and solar power generation systems. In recent years, there are more people who want to move from the urban regions to the countryside, and those who want to return to their hometowns because it's convenient and easy to live and commute to work and school. Motomiya City is a comfortable place for the elderly to live. For example, for those who are said to be mobility impaired, we have prepared the Junkai Circuit Bus for the city area and Motomiya Ikutan Taxi. The Junkai Circuit Bus, which travels around 4 courses in the city, is useful as a means of transportation for citizens because it's cheap, and no matter how far the ride is, it costs 100 yen per adult per ride. Ikutan Taxi is a limited area shared taxi that will transport people from their homes to where many people go, such as to the hospitals, city hall, financial institutions, and shopping centers. It is convenient for hospital visits and shopping, and so it is popular among the elderly. The bathing facilities in 4 places in the city are a place for relaxation for the elderly, who are always full of laughter. In the city, we aim for a bright, long-lived society where a life expectancy is extended by preventative care, such as the Iki Iki 100 years old exercise, which is an exercise program to live a vibrant life until 100 years old, and where they can live well in a familiar area. Mizuiro Park, where water play can be enjoyed. Smile Kids Park, where playing even on a rainy day is possible. There are many children's playgrounds in the city, such as Epoka, with all wooden playground equipment and picture books. Among them, at Smile Kids Park, trees were planted in hopes of the healthy growth of children when Prince William of England came to Japan. Since then, it has been popular for the nickname Prince William's Park, which received British approval, and it is crowded with many parents and children on weekdays as well as on holidays. Ties with England were made possible due to Prince William's visit, which is now developing into a new story. In September 2016, as one of the commemorative projects of the 10th anniversary of Motomiya City, it was announced that an English garden will be constructed in Prince William's Park. The garden is undergoing construction, which is scheduled to open in autumn 2017. The smiles of the children are the city's treasures. In addition to these facilities, the city conducts various programs to support the raising of children. For example, free medical care costs for 18-year-old children and under, subsidies for fees of kindergartens and nursery schools, daycare centers, after-school activities for children that support working parents. In the future, we will promote renovation of child care facilities to enhance the child care environment. After-school activities for children are established for each elementary school district, making it a place where children can be at ease. Kindergartens, nurseries, elementary and junior high schools are equipped with air conditioning. Sports facilities have indoor and outdoor swimming pools. In October 2016, the Mayumi Arena, indoor exercise facility capable of practicing baseball and futsal at any time without having to worry about the weather, is completed. And it is planned to promote the physical strength of children through these substantial facilities. In the city, everyone can raise children and put emphasis on improving the environment to foster the children's healthy minds and bodies. Thus far, Motomiya has been featured from the three perspectives of work, live, and raise children. But Motomiya's attraction is not limited to them. When looking up, Mount Adatara is always there. The Abukumagawa River slowly flows all the way. Spring comes along with the blooming of cherry blossoms. And after summer passes, the autumn harvest season comes. Then waits for spring again. Here, the abundant nature is unchanged. When leaving the city area, as the pleasant winds blow in the green rice fields and the peaceful rural scenery of Motomiya City spreads. This is also an agricultural area. In the city, Motomiya City produced koshihikari rice boasts a special A ranking in taste, and emphasis is placed on the training and support of certified farmers who aim to farm coexisting with nature, as well as the promotion of specialty products such as Motomiya Ukokke and Tororo Imo grated yam. The festivals and traditional arts where the hearts of Motomiya people dance. How about living in Motomiya City? Motomiya is a compact city where convenience and an abundance in nature coexist. Wouldn't you like to own a home in the city, raise children, and live with an enriched spirit?